Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today we will show demo on how to overcome double quotes problem in source document while uploading the data into the RDBMS tables in SSIS. So first I will show that the source document that I have we having double quotes. So this is my source document. So it contains just two records and each one is separated by comma delimited, and the data that are exist within the double quotes. If you observe, ID is within double quotes, name is within double quotes, and address is also within the double quotes. So our intention is to remove the double quotes and load the data into the tables. For that, in this demo, I will show how to remove the double quotes and load the data. I'm taking a new package. So here I'm dragging the data flow task into the control pane. Double click. My source document is text document. I'm taking the flat file source as the source to configure. Double click. Take new. Browse. So I'm selecting the double quotes text document. So here, if you observe this editor, when you have to work in the editor, in format by default these values are populated. Format is delimited and the text qualifier is showing as none, and header row delimited as control F. Header rows to skip is 0 and column names in the first row is checked. If you see the data and columns in the preview, everything is looks like what we have seen in the text document. So I want to remove the double quotes and load the data. For that, in general tab, I'm checking this column names in first row, and in text qualifier I mentioned just as double quotes. And if you go and see the columns here, so now here we don't see any double quotes. So you will get that. What is the text qualifier? The text qualifier is actually is a symbol used by Excel to determine the beginning and end of the text. So it is used at the time of the importing the data. The document, whatever the data that is having within the double quotes is the real data, and this this double quotes is the text qualifier. So within the text qualifier, within the two text qualifier, we want to load the data. So that's why we mentioned the text qualifier column as double quotes. So click OK. Since we don't have any header columns, so then the columns we have is just three columns. It starts with 0, 1 and 2. So I am dragging now OLEDB destination into the data flow, connecting the double click to configure, take new. So my server name is admin. My database is sample. Click OK. So we don't have any separate table for this. For that, I want to create a new table here itself. So I'm mentioning this table name as double quotes. And click OK. Mappings. Click OK. So if you go and see the table and refresh the table, sample database. So here you have the double quotes table name. So I'm taking this. So this is currently we don't have any data, even header columns, header names also we don't have. Now we want to load the data into this table. So I'm about to start the package. Yeah. See here, data is loaded without any double quotes here. So here sometimes you may get the data from the client or any third party sources having with all double quotes. At the time, by mentioning the text qualifier required text qualifier symbol into the text qualifier field, and you to avoid this double quotes problem. So, for that, since I am having the double quotes in the text document, so I mentioned the text qualifier as a double quote and run the data. So this is how you need to overcome or handle the double quotes problem at the time of the loading the data from source document to the destination table. Thanks for watching the video.